Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Access Bank to another bank. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank account, which of course I've done right here. That's your Access Bank mobile app. Then after doing that, the next thing is where exactly can you get the Access Bank mobile application? You can get it on Google Play Store or you can get it on Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, go ahead and look forward to searching for the search bar. So once you get to the search bar, in the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank mobile app. And once you do that, follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening an account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. Now, once you get there, these are the steps that you can take to transfer money from Access Bank to another bank account. From the home page, which is your dashboard, head over to the navigation panel and you're going to find an option that says Transfers. Now go ahead and click on Transfers. Now once you click on Transfers, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to be asked to input the recipient's account number, bank, and amount. So go ahead and input the recipient's account number, and after doing that, you're going to see a prompt that allow you to enter the name of the bank. So enter the name of the bank or choose from the selected list of banks. You enter the recipient's account number and then enter the amount. So once you enter the amount, verify to ensure all information is correct. Then input your secure PIN code for authorization and go ahead and click on Submit. So let's go over this again from the home page. Head over to Transfers, click on Transfers, then input the recipient's account number, bank name, and amount. Verify to ensure all information is correct. Input your 4-digit secure PIN code for authorization and click on Submit. That way, you'll be able to transfer money from Access Bank to another bank. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.